Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Dindore and today I'm going to explain about circulatory system. Circulatory system is one of the most important systems of our body. It is made up of blood vessels, heart and lymph. So in brief, we will learn in this lecture. So let's start the lecture. Let me share one presentation with you. Yeah. So, human circulatory system consists of network of arteries, vein, capillaries with heart pumping through it. So, whole the blood, the circulatory fluid transfers from one location to another location through these blood vessels, which are arteries and veins and capillaries, and heart acts as pumping organ which provides the blood, which pumps the blood to each and every blood vessel. Its primary role is to provide essential nutrients, oxygen, minerals, hormones to various parts of the body. The circulatory system is also responsible for collecting the metabolic waste and toxins from the cells and tissues to be purified or to expelled from our body. So circulatory system is very important as it carries the nutrients as well as the waste to appropriate locations. Okay, the main features of circulatory system is it consists of blood, heart, blood vessels, and lymph. So there is a huge network of blood vessels all over of our body, and heart works as pumping organ. The human circulatory system have a significant feature in it, that is it have double circulation in it. So one for oxygenated and another is for deoxygenated. So there are two loops. So one loop is for oxygenated blood and another is for deoxygenated blood. Here we can see a small diagram of heart which is divided into two parts, right and left. So this heart is divided into four chambers. Okay, so the upper chambers are known as auricles and the lower chambers are known as ventricles. So one fact is there that left side of the heart works for oxygenated blood and right side of the heart works for the deoxygenated blood. This heart is nearly a size of our fist and it is located in between two lungs towards left, and it is protected by the rib cage. As it is a very important organ of our body, it is very hardworking. Why I am telling so? Because it works from birth till the end. It never stops working, it never stops pumping. Okay, the heart is very important as it carries the blood and it purifies the blood. Okay, so this pumping organ is controlled by cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles control the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Okay, so this because of this, the human heart is myogenic in nature. What is myogenic nature? What is the meaning of myogenic nature? Okay, so full functioning of the heart is controlled by the cardiac muscles, and there is no need of any nerve impulse to control the functioning of heart. Okay, because of this phenomena we can do or we can practice the heart transplantation also. Okay, so human heart is very important for functioning of our body. So how this blood circulates through this circulatory system? The blood vessels which carries the blood from heart to all body parts are arteries, and which carries the blood towards the heart from the all body parts are veins. So as we all discussed that the blood vessels which carries the oxygenated blood are arteries, and which carries the deoxygenated blood are veins. Okay, arteries carries blood up to cell, from where they get divided into very fine thin capillaries. As we all know, the cells are very thin and very small. So to provide the blood there, to supply the blood there, we need very thin and very small vessels. So capillaries work there. Okay, these capillaries are thin and they can transport the oxygen and food up to cells very easily. In cells, the respiration takes place, from where the release of carbon dioxide takes place, and this deoxygenated blood is carried by vein to heart for purification. So there are few terms which are very important, and which are very important to know before learning about the double circulation. Okay, there are some arteries or some veins we have to learn about. The pulmonary vein, this vein carries the oxygenated blood to left atrium, which moves forward to left ventricle. So from this pulmonary vein, the oxygenated blood comes here, then it travels towards the left ventricle. Then the aorta carries this oxygenated blood to all body parts. Okay, first blood comes here, then it travels from here, and then it travels to here. Then the vena cavas. Here we can see two vena cavas are there. One is superior vena cava and next is inferior vena cava. So superior vena cava and inferior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood to right atrium, which move forward, and right, and which carries to right ventricle. And the pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to lungs for purification. Okay, so the double circulation takes place. The double circulation we will learn in next video. Thank you so much.